Hey guys, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the cosine rule to calculate missing sides and angles in non-right angle triangles. The cosine rule states a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. There are two cases in which we can use the cosine rule. The first case is we know two side lengths and the angle between them. So I know side B, I know side C. It therefore means I would also have to know the angle between them, which is angle A. The second case in which I can use the cosine rule, I must know all three sides. So I know side A, I know side B, and I know side C, and I'm trying to find a missing angle. Now let's look at our first example, finding the missing side. Is it a right angle triangle? No. Is there a matching pair? No. So it therefore means that we can use the cosine rule. And these are questions that you should ask yourself once you're trying to find a missing side or angle in a triangle. Now we label the sides and angles, calling the given angle A and the missing side A. In terms of labeling B and C, the order doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter which one you label as B as well as C. Just make sure if you label here as angle C, it therefore means that the side directly opposite to it now becomes your side C, as well as if you label this angle B, the side directly opposite now becomes your side B, and those would have been little b and little c. Now we write our cosine formula, which states a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. The next step now, guys, is for us to substitute everything we know. So we fill in those bits that we know. So a squared is equal to, add label b as 12, so that's 12 squared, plus add label c as 9, so that's 9 squared minus 2 times 12 times 9 times cos 20 degrees. My next step now, guys, is really to input all of this in my calculator. And again, it really depends on which calculator you're using, so just be careful with your brackets. And I should get an answer of the square root of 22.026. The numbers keep changing. When I work that out, I should get a final answer, correct the three significant figures, to be 4.69 centimeters. Now let's look at our second example, which requires us to find the missing angle. Is it a right angle triangle? No. Is there a matching pair? No. So we use the cosine rule. We label the sides and angles, calling the missing angle A. Now we write our formula. I use this formula, guys, because some books or some other videos that you might see will give you a version of the formula where the angle is the subject, but I would recommend you can always use this one and you'll also get the same answer once you substitute your values correctly and work the problem. So I have 9 squared, which represents my A, is equal to 6 squared, which represents my B, plus 10 squared, which represents my C, minus 2 times 6 times 10 times cos theta. And again, I write theta because that's the angle that I'm trying to find, and I don't know it. My next step now, guys, is to evaluate each of those numbers. So 9 squared gives me 81, 6 squared gives me 36, 10 squared gives me 100, minus 2 times 6 times 10 gives me 120, and that's times cos theta. My next step now, guys, is really to add that 36 plus 100. When I do that, I get 136. Now my next step is to subtract 136 from both sides of the equation. When I do that, I get 81 minus 136 equals to 120. That's negative cos theta. 81 minus 136, that gives me a negative 55. That's equal to negative 120 cos theta. Now I divide both sides of the equation by negative 120. Now I have negative 55 over negative 120. That's equal to cos theta. And again, I'm trying to find theta, which is my angle. So it therefore means I need the inverse of all of this. So I do theta is equal to cos inverse of that negative 55 divided by that negative 120. I input all of that in my calculator and I get an answer of 62.72 degrees. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell as well so that you're notified when I post new videos. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching guys.